Well, we've got temperature-wise this morning. We've dropped down into the 30s for the most part. You'll find a few upper 20s too. I want to show you some of the snowfall so far this season. 20 inches so far this November. Typically in a full season, we see just under 60 inches. That is well above normal, obviously. More than a third of what we would typically see. And by the end of November, usually right just around 12.5 inches. So we are so far above normal with this last storm. And for those of you down in Elbert County, Douglas County, obviously you saw even more than this. Sunny skies, though, in store this week. So we're going to see a lot of melting. Temperatures are going to be pretty close to our normal high. It's mid to upper 50s here this time of year. And we've got 50s across the Super 7 day. I'll show you that here in just a minute. Take a look at satellite and radar. All is quiet and clear right now. We are going to see a change tomorrow. The mountains will see, it looks like a little bit of snow, and we'll get some increasing clouds across the plains. Might get a spotty shower or two, but for the most part this week, a lot warmer and drier. Right now, 37 out at the airport. A little bit colder downtown. We're in the upper 20s, and winds have been at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We will see the winds kick up a bit more tomorrow with this next front that's rolling through, but this morning it's pretty calm. Lakewood, you're at right around freezing. Golden, a little more mild, 40. On the west side of town, you will see those temperatures kind of bounce up and down through the morning with those winds. Aurora just above freezing, and in Denver right now, again, some mid to upper 20s. Take a look at Futurecast. We'll see sunshine clearing, mid upper 40s between about 11 and 12 o'clock. And then we'll climb into the 50s this afternoon. Just a few increasing clouds. Then overnight, pretty clear skies. By early Tuesday morning, we're back down to near freezing early tomorrow. And then by tomorrow afternoon, a little bit of a change. The mountains are going to see some snow. We may see, it looks like, upwards of a few inches, especially over those high mountain passes. Could be around 2 to 4 inches there. And then here, we'll get a little increase in cloud cover. There is a slight chance we'd get a few spotty showers coming in with that. But for the most part, all that wet weather mainly up and through the mountains. 50s today, 50s tomorrow, a little breezy. Winds will kick up a touch here on Tuesday, and then it gets a little cooler on Wednesday once that front rolls through. So tomorrow, expect to wake up to, again, some 30s, but by that point, still a lot of melting, and some of that, again, are across the roadways. Jason's been talking about it. We'll freeze back over overnight as we drop into the 30s. 40s, mid to upper 40s by 11 o'clock tomorrow, and then again, 50s in the afternoon. Wednesday, a little cooler. In fact, it's the coolest day here on our Super 7 day. We get into the upper 50s, closer to 60, Jason, by Thursday, and that mild weather, it looks like it is going to continue through the weekend.